On Decisis, it is easy to bookmark both documents and searches. Once on the search results screen, you can bookmark a search query by clicking on the bookmark icon on the top of the page. You can also bookmark a document by selecting the document and clicking on the bookmark icon on the right. You can access your saved bookmarks by selecting the bookmark icon on the top right of the screen. Once you are on the Bookmarks page, if you want to remove a bookmark, you select the bookmark icon on the left of your document. Then, you click the Remove button to confirm you want to remove the bookmark. You can navigate between your bookmarked documents and bookmark searches at the top. If you click on a bookmark search, you can easily rerun that search query. Bookmarks on Decisis give you quick and easy access to your key documents and searches.